So continuing on with this modification of the C channel, I mentioned that this sketch is not fully constrained. It is constrained right here. You can see that that's coincident on that point. But if I grab this point, I can still move the rest of the triangle. It would be nice to have it constrained to the other sides here. And that here it says undefined down there. So maybe what I can do is pick this point right here, hold down the control key. Let's see if I can pick that edge there. And okay, so I made that line up vertically with that. And then I'll pick this line up here, hold down the control key, and pick that edge right there and make that collinear. Okay, so now you can see it says fully defined. So that sketch is fully defined to this, to the part here. And now I'm going to, I'll get out of this sketch. Well, let's see. I'm going to do, had to just find my features frame right here. So I'm going to pick this and do an extruded cut here. Okay, and let's look at this. Let's see if we do an isometric there. And so we're going to do a cut instead of a blind. We'll do a through all. So you can see how that's going to cut. So now if I just accept that, right? So now that end was cut off, and we now have a 1 by 2 by 1 by 20. Okay, so we'll go ahead and save that part. So now we can proceed and get the other parts we need. We have the motors and the C channel. Now we want to get the bearings. So let's see. And we want the bearing flat. So let's grab that. And we'll say no on that. So there's the bearing. And see, we need shaft colors. Shaft colors. So we'll grab that shaft color. All right, there's the shaft color. And we need a 3-inch shaft. Shaft stock is drive shaft 3 inches long. Okay, so we have that part. And next thing is we need the 1/2-inch screws. So these are 832 screws. And there's the 1/2-inch right there. And we don't need to do the feature recognition. And I'm just going to put that on. Okay, so these are all the parts we need now to do step number 1. All right, so here's the picture. Here's our 1 by 2 by 1 by 20 C channel. And we can see when we want to, let's put a flat bearing here. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3 spaces and then the flat bearing. So here's our assembly so far. And just turn that on and pin that. And we want a couple of these flat bearings. So put one there and one there. And then let's grab a couple of the C channels here and here. And let's work on those first. So, okay. So as I mentioned, we're going to have 3 spaces. And so let's grab this one. And I'm just going to rotate it a little bit to get it lined up a little better. We'll cooperate. Okay. And I'm going to have to stop here and pick up with the next video.